Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share, to determine what you need to bring on a day hike. Think about how far you plan to hike, how remote the location is, and what the weather forecast has in store. In general, the longer and or more remote the hike is and the more inclement the weather, the more clothing, gear, food and water you're going to want. If you're just getting into day hiking, be sure to our hiking gear list. Heading out for a day hike is a delightful way to explore nature with friends and family, or even by yourself. Whether you want to go deep into the mountains or stay closer to home, the places to go are numerous. Many state and national parks offer broad networks for trails, as does National Forest land.
With durable construction and minimal design for easy packing, the flexible Stow bottle was designed to go with you anywhere. It fits where most hard bottles won't, easy to hold and pocket, and you won't catch it rolling around. Weighing in less than 55 grams, it's 80% lighter than most hard bottles. It features a 28mm spill-proof nozzle for convenient drinking during your most active activities. The flexible bail handle makes it easy to clip onto your climbing harness or outside your pack, and the soft-sided design makes for comfortable towing. Available in 500 milliliters and 1 liter, the Stow bottle flattens and rolls when empty, packing into its own bail handle. Made of ultra-durable, abrasion-resistant TPU and RF welded seams for superior durability and elasticity. It's 100% BPA and PVC free and backed by our Beyond guarantee. Whatever your adventure, our ultra-light and packable Stow flexible bottle.
This is our Hornet Elite backpacking series. Offered in a 1- and 2-person model, the Hornet Elite is the ultralight tent of choice for extreme minimalists looking for the best in technical materials and design. Our newest version offers a generous amount of headspace, while top-shelf materials and hardware keep weight down to a minimum 25 ounces for our 1P and 28 ounces for our 2P. We start with an ultralight premium 10D coated nylon ripstop and a slim profile in our tub floor to shave ounces yet still keep you cozy and dry. The seamless construction increases your tent's longevity. The no-seam mesh canopy keeps condensation and bugs at bay and turns virtually transparent at night for clear stargazing. Hornet Elite's highly efficient pole structure leverages DAC Featherlight poles for minimal weight. A single hub intersection and color-coded pole clip webbing allows for an intuitive, lightning-quick setup. Our patent-pending Flybar volumizing pole clip is a new addition to Hornet Elite, dramatically increasing interior headspace by widening canopy mesh at the peak. Flybar's unique shape and flexible composition distributes fly tension evenly to eliminate any stress points. Triangulated reflective guy-outs increase volume at the foot, protecting sleeping bags from tent wall condensation. Our ultra-fine 7D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a durable silicone water repellent, offering some of the lightest, most reliable weather protection possible. Large doors and vestibules offer easy access and ample gear coverage for each person. For added livability, Hornet Elite's 2 volumizing clips connect to the fly and expand the canopy outward. We've also added a small gear pocket for your essentials, and light pockets so you can turn your headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a pleasant glow through light diffusing fabric. Our Divi Stuff Sack allows you to split the weight.
Sawtooth 2 8-inch insulated waterproof boot keeps feet comfortable when the temperatures drop with the warmth and protection of 3M Thinsulate insulation, while offering the same versatility as the rest of our Sawtooth collection. This slightly larger volume fitting boot is narrow in the heel to eliminate slippage, reducing the chance for blisters. A wider forefoot and toe box provides ample room for your toes. This waterproof suede and fabric boot features 200-gram 3M Thinsulate insulation, large mesh vents for added breathability, a supportive external heel counter to secure your foot, a synthetic mud guard for added durability, and a Gator D-ring. At Oboz, every B-Dry waterproof breathable membrane is tested to be 100% waterproof. This boot is also treated with a durable water repellent finish. Our proprietary OFIT insole Thermal features an insulated top sheet and reflective Mylar bottom sheet, keeping toes nice and cozy. Utilizing 3 different densities of EVA foam, low-density EVA pods, medium-density EVA throughout, high-density EVA sculpted arch and heel cup, all provide cushioning and support with the goal of placing the foot in the neutral position. Our Sawtooth midsole features dual-density EVA built to be versatile, flexible, and supportive. The cushioning underfoot is great for hard surfaces, but certainly capable of multi-day backpacking trips. The Sawtooth outsoles deep lugs shed mud, offer intense traction, and maintain trail stability. The cold weather specific outsole features our winter rubber that grips in a variety of conditions. Sidewall lugs grip off-camber trails while conserving weight. The men's Sawtooth 2 8-inch insulated waterproof boot.
Cascade Mountain Tech carbon fiber trekking poles are comprised of 100% carbon fiber on all 3 pole sections, making them ultra lightweight and easy to wield on all sorts of treks. Each pole features a quick flip lock for easy height adjustments and is offered with either EVA foam or cork grip handles with padded adjustable wrist straps. Each pole weighs only 7.8 ounces and adjusts from 26 inches collapsed to 54 inches fully extended. All of our quick lock poles also include an extended lower EVA foam grip, offering another comfortable hold point meant for going uphill. Our carbon fiber poles have a durable tungsten carbide tip and come with a bonus 5-piece accessories kit, which includes rubber tip covers, rubber boot covers, snow baskets, mud baskets, and a pole clip. Once you are ready to hike, be sure to set your poles to their ideal height and lock the quick locks into place. To lock the quick locks, simply turn the thumb screw until it is somewhat difficult to close, but still able to clamp down. If you put weight on the pole and the top portion slips, you need to tighten your thumb screw even more. When you're finished using your poles, collapse them to the shortest height, tighten and clamp down your quick lock once more so it is securely in place.
Hi, I'm Devin from Osprey, and today we'll be talking about the Ether and Ariel pack series. Now, if you've been searching for a pack that is completely adjustable and has the ability to carry a large and heavy load, then these are the packs for you. Each have the adjustable fit-on-the-fly shoulder straps and the custom fit-on-the-fly hip belt. That allows you to fine-tune the pack fit for any situation. Now, let's talk about the different fit options. Both the men's Ether and the women's Ariel come in a 55-liter and 65-liter. The Ether comes in 2 sizes. The small medium, which fits a torso range from 17 to 20.5 inches, and the large extra large for torsos ranging from 19.5 to 23 inches. The Ariel also comes in 2 sizes. The extra small fits a torso range of 13.5 to 17 inches, and the medium large for torsos ranging from 16 to 19.5 inches. Now that we've covered sizing, let's explore the Ether and Ariel suspension system. The AirScape back panel includes a molded frame sheet and breathable foam covered in mesh to help keep your back cool, while the lower lumbar pad creates a comfortable contact point against your body. The shoulder harness is easy to adjust based on torso length. Simply move the harness up or down, then pull the tabs to lock it in place. The adjustable fit-on-the-fly shoulder straps can be fine-tuned for a fit around your shoulders. Just release the strap, slide it out, lock it in place for your custom fit. The length and angle on our custom fit-on-the-fly hip belt can be adjusted for maximum comfort. Simply release the hip belt from the hip belt wing, slide it out, and place it on the appropriate fit indicator. The light wire frame brings together all of the fit-on-the-fly features to stabilize the load and maximize movement, while the load lifters transfer the weight closer to your body. If you'd like to learn more about getting the right pack fit, check out our pack fit video. Now let's check out the rest of the features that make this a time-tested and trusted pack. An included rain cover made from recycled material, large front panel zip access to the main compartment, fabric reinforced front shove-it pocket, large dual access stretch mesh side water bottle pockets, dual zippered hip belt pockets, floating top lid with lash points, dual upper and lower side compression straps, dual front panel compression straps with straitjacket compression, dual ice axe tool loops with bungee tie-offs, sleeping bag compartment with a removable divider, removable sleeping pad straps, and an interior hydration reservoir sleeve. So no matter your body type, all of these custom adjustments will ensure superior comfort. So whether you're packing up all your favorite gear to go out on a laid-back weekend or going out on an excursion to tackle your favorite summit, the Aetherin Aerial will have you ready for anything Mother Nature throws at you.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.